The 2026 BMW X10M pickup truck stands as a statement of power and precision. Its metallic, deep midnight blue color gleams under showroom lights, while the black gloss kidney grille and slim white LED headlights provide an aggressive, unmistakable face. The wide-body fenders and carbon fiber splitter emphasize the muscular stance. Every angle reveals meticulous design, from the aerodynamic side skirts to the large black M alloy wheels with red brake calipers. At the rear, quad exhaust tips, a sporty diffuser, and the X10M badge combine to create a commanding, performance-focused presence. The front fascia captures attention with sharp, angular lines that convey speed even when stationary. LED headlights are perfectly integrated into the aggressive bumper design, casting a crisp glow that highlights the sporty nature of the truck. From the side, the sculpted panels and wide stance present a cohesive silhouette, while the panoramic glass roof adds a touch of sophistication. The rear view completes the exterior impression, balancing strength with elegance, as the slim taillights and diffuser highlight BMW's meticulous engineering.
Inside the 2026 BMW X10M pickup truck, luxury meets performance in every detail. Red and black leather sports seats provide comfort and support, while precision stitching emphasizes craftsmanship. The carbon fiber dashboard exudes a sporty, modern aesthetic, seamlessly integrating with a fully curved digital display that delivers all essential driving information. The M Performance steering wheel, with its thick grip and paddle shifters, ensures intuitive control at all times. Ambient blue lighting bathes the cabin, creating a futuristic, inviting atmosphere. The center console features a sleek gear selector and touch control panel, providing easy access to vehicle functions. Rear passengers enjoy equal luxury, with ergonomic seating, foldable armrests, and ambient lighting extending to the back of the cabin. The panoramic glass roof allows natural light to fill the interior, enhancing the feeling of space and openness. Every element inside the truck emphasizes the perfect balance between comfort, technology, and performance.
From above, the X10M pickup truck reveals its sculpted aerodynamic profile. The panoramic glass roof is clearly visible, seamlessly blending with the wide-body fenders and carbon fiber side skirts. The metallic, deep midnight blue finish reflects ambient light, highlighting each line and contour. The front three-quarters top angle emphasizes the aggressive front grille and headlights, while the rear three-quarters view showcases the quad exhaust tips and slim taillights. Side top angles provide a full perspective of the truck's proportions, emphasizing the sporty silhouette from every possible vantage point. Dynamic top-down outdoor shots capture the truck in motion, demonstrating how its design remains cohesive and commanding even while driving. Every reflection, shadow, and contour is carefully engineered to communicate strength, precision, and luxury. The BMW X10M pickup truck excels beyond paved roads. Its low, sporty suspension, wide fenders, and large M wheels provide maximum stability on rugged terrain. Whether traversing rocky mountain trails, sandy desert dunes, muddy paths, or dense forest trails, the truck maintains composure and control. Dust, mud, and water splashes dramatize the off-road experience, highlighting the pickup's aggressive stance and robust engineering. The quad exhaust tips and carbon fiber detailing reinforce its performance pedigree, even in the harshest conditions. Every off-road scene demonstrates the X10M pickup's balance of power, precision, and luxury. On highways and winding mountain roads, the X10M pickup truck delivers a thrilling driving experience. Its M-tuned suspension ensures precise handling and comfort at high speeds. LED headlights illuminate the road, while the metallic deep midnight blue paint reflects sunlight and ambient light beautifully. Side rolling shots, front three-quarter driving angles, and city street perspectives show the truck's commanding presence. Every movement emphasizes the seamless blend of performance, luxury, and agility that defines the X10M pickup truck. Whether in an underground parking garage or a modern outdoor lot, the X10M pickup truck exudes elegance. Its wide stance, sculpted panels, and glossy reflections make it a standout vehicle, even when stationary. LED headlights and taillights create a subtle glow in low-light environments, while black M alloy wheels and carbon fiber trims highlight attention to detail. Parking shots emphasize both the design and sophistication of the pickup, showcasing its ability to command attention in urban and structured environments. Every detail of the X10M pickup truck contributes to its premium character. Close-ups of the front headlights reveal the sharp LED design, while rear taillight shots emphasize their slim, precise form. Side mirrors, door handles, and tailgate features showcase craftsmanship and design cohesion. The pickup bed interior is rugged yet refined, blending performance utility with aesthetic appeal. Wheels, brake calipers, and exhaust tips are captured in macro shots, demonstrating BMW's meticulous engineering. Each feature highlights the truck's fusion of luxury, performance, and functionality.